Let's make my favorite color combination wallet, turquoise Italian leather with gunmetal gray stitching. One of the fun parts about offering a leather and color option for customers so they can build their own is being able to see what customers come up with. And one of the most popular color combinations is turquoise and gunmetal gray. This Turquoise Minerva is a full grain. It's an Italian vacchetta leather from the Tuscany region of Italy, some of the highest standards in leathercraft. And this is a vibrant, beautiful color with a patina journey that is completely unmatched. It starts off as this really beautiful turquoise, and it ends up like a dark teal. It becomes a little bit more green over time. It gets darker, shinier, richer, and just really beautiful. Pairing it with gunmetal gray stitching might not seem like your first choice. Maybe to some people it is, but at least for me, it would not have been my first choice. I think my first choice may have been ivory or maybe even a mint green, but this color is awesome. It's subtle, and over time, it pops a little bit more. Now, making this wallet is like second nature to me at this point, really. I've made so many of them, but there's always room for improvement. Something that I noticed recently was that as I was making these wallets, they felt thicker than I remember making them, and that led me to thinking about skiving some of the interior a little bit more. Now, I used to skive these card slots, the interior card pockets, just at the bottom, just to give it kind of a tapered fade, kind of like a haircut, just to make it like a little bit less thick. But I decided to just go full out, skive the pockets completely. So I'm basically taking the pockets themselves and skiving or thinning the leather by half. So reducing that bulk by about 50% for those pockets. And I found that the end result was actually pretty awesome. It doesn't ruin any durability or quality. It actually increases the quality, in my opinion, because you get something a little bit slimmer and more comfortable to have in your pocket. Something I hear a lot of guys say is when you hold your wallet or you keep your wallet in your back pocket, you can cause back issues. Now, listen, I keep my wallet in my back right pocket. It's been like that forever. I don't ever feel like my back hurts as a result, but I know some of the older generation gentlemen like to carry about 1,006 different things in their wallet. I highly recommend against that. I think it's really awesome if you want to keep all of your belongings with you at all times. Cool, more power to you. But might I recommend looking into something a little bit more minimalist, which is why I went with this wallet, why I designed this wallet. It looks a little bit more modern, but it's for the newer generation of folks who just carry maybe a handful of cards, a couple of bills, nothing crazy, keeping it light. And I think shaving down some of the weight and the thickness of the wallet, it really amplifies that. It really brings that to light, because these wallets should not be packed to the absolute brim. If you're packing your wallets to the brim, you're stretching out your leather, and when you do decide to clean house and remove a couple of those things, your leather is now so stretched out that things are going to start falling out. So keeping it a little bit more minimal, 2 cards per pocket in this particular wallet, along with some cash in that bigger cash pocket, you'll be perfect forever. Things won't overstretch. If you decide to reduce some of that, it won't be too loose that things are falling out. Anyway, lots of different colors to choose from, lots of different stitching colors to choose from, and each color has its own patina journey. These are available on my website and on TikTok Shop.